Hello, Master. So here one person told like this basically things are connected. So one person suddenly basically told that we actually never thought basically that. So one person literally asked the question, where is these 100 people? So here one person told they are basically into government sector basically, and they have basically got some post basically. So one person told that means basically these all are the, that's why basically the government people basically why they are into some special security basically, because they are data basically. If anything basically happens to that group, then it's a problem basically for the diagram department basically. Then how they will be going to collect the diagram data? So they basically told that the AI industry basically started searching that people basically. For that basically they tell that basically we have basically launched the softwares in the Sansad Bhavan Parliament House also, that is capturing the data of that people basically. From that basically we are trying to study basically, because one day basically they have to convert this everything into software basically, that human body is everything basically, and they have to create one software which is equal to land, and that is going to process data, but that will be very dangerous software basically, but that basically is going to create one day basically, because TCS group say that basically we are basically doing the process of Tata Steel basically from software only. So one person told that Tata Steel basically software creation basically. So like this also things basically are there. So one of the person told that yes, it's an accident.